What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. This one, we're going to be talking about how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. So, if you are new to affiliate marketing, if you have been doing affiliate marketing but you haven't had any success, let me walk you through a step-by-step process of exactly how you can start making $1,000 from affiliate marketing right now. So if you're ready, let's get started. All right, so this is what we're going to talk about right here, but let me explain everything first, okay? So before we get into that, I want to show you one thing right here. The first link in the description box below, you can go check it out. It's my free affiliate marketing monsters mini course. Yes, okay, finally, I put together a free mini course on how to do affiliate marketing. Let me walk you through some of the things that you're going to get, okay? First, I show you how to create your first profitable affiliate business. Plus, I give you my proven strategy to make your first $1,000, okay? That's what you're going to get. Also, the secret to affiliate sales that nobody seems to be talking about. Okay, I've talked about before, but most people have never caught on to exactly what I meant. So, I talk about that here. And lastly, okay, probably one of the biggest things is I give you access to my website template. Okay, my exact website. You see my exact website. You can go to it and actually look at it. Okay, so you can see my exact website template that you can put in $1 and you make $3 out. Okay, so I'm going to show you that, and you can get access to that template as well. So if you want to go check it out, again, first link in the description box below, and you can go and sign up and get it. So let's jump back into today's video. So how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. What I want to just say is most people, what they do wrong is one simple step, and it is step 4 right here, okay? So first you choose your topic. Yeah, we know that, right? Nothing new. So if you're learning anything, make sure you hit that thumbs up button as well. If you have any questions or comments, always comment in the comment section below, okay? So step 2, choose your promotional method. What does this mean? This is talking about, are you going to use paid advertising? Are you going to use free traffic methods? If you use free traffic methods, are you going to use YouTube, a website, social media? What are you going to do? Okay, so that's what you need to do here. Choose your topic and then choose your promotional method that is going to be in line with the topic that you chose. Okay, next thing, step 3, find a product, a course, or a service to promote as an affiliate. Again, this needs to be in line with your promotional method, and that again has to be in line with your chosen topic. If any one of these are somewhat out of whack, it's not going to be able to flow. You're not going to be able to make any money. So here's what I want to talk about. Step 4, create unique plus valuable content. What does that mean? What in the world? I just don't understand. Okay, when I say valuable content, you probably understand what that means, right? Hit that thumbs up button if you do. Now, if I say create unique content, you're probably thinking, well, what does that mean? What should I create? Do I need to be like an entertainer? Do I need to, provide some type of huge article that nobody's ever written before? What do I do? I'm going to explain that in just a second. And then step 5, I call it PPR, okay? Just because it's easier to pronounce, but it's publish, promote, and repeat. That's what PPR stands for, okay? So let me explain this entire process. Okay, again, if you are confused on something like this, I talk about a lot of this stuff over here inside the free mini course. Go check it out. Like I said, first link in the description box below. So step 1, let's come up with a topic, okay? Let's come up with a topic and figure out what can we promote, okay? So let's think about something. How about, let's see, how about roofing, okay? Some type of construction. I got roofing on my mind for some reason. Roofing, okay? That's going to be our topic, okay, right here. That's going to be our topic. Now, step 2, we need to choose a promotional method. What kind of promotional method would go good with roofing? Well, for most people, they're probably not going to write an article. You probably don't see a lot of contractors or people looking to do a home renovation going to Google, typing in, how to re-roof my house and looking for an entire book on it, right? Probably looking for a video. So in that case, I'd either do YouTube or Facebook. Okay, I'm a little more partial to YouTube, so that's actually what we're going to do. I'm going to consider YouTube. Okay, I'm not going to do any of this, but you get the point. So choose a topic is roofing. Step 2, choose your promotional method. Okay, I'm going to choose YouTube, okay, because I want to do video. Step 3, find a product, course, or service. So let's go, not over here, let's go to Amazon. Let's type in roofing, roofing knife, roofing hammer, roofing gun, roofing removal tools. Let's try this. Here we go. This is kind of what I'm thinking. Let's say we do one of these. Okay, what are these called? A shingle bully. Cool. So we're gonna do a shingle bully. Let's type that in. Shingle bully. Here is where I think I've been able to do very well, is by creating unique plus valuable content. So when I say valuable content, most people do how to remove your shingles, your roofing shingles. Okay, so if you've been doing affiliate marketing, if you haven't made any money yet, again, I want to get you to make your first $1,000. Okay, that's the goal. Not to make your first $10 or $100. Let's shoot for 1,000. Okay, we want to shoot for something that is not only attainable, but it's still pushing you far enough that you are providing a little bit more extra work. You are putting in, an extra hour a week or hour a day, whatever it is. Okay, so this is what most people do. How to remove your shingles. Great. Let's create unique content. Okay, so what we want to do is, let's say I'm gonna create a video on how to remove your shingles. I could go up to my roof, and start using a hammer and trying to pull out nails and yanking the shingles off. I could do that. Okay, and that would be a great way to start. That would be a great way to create a unique video. Is you go up there and you start pulling stuff on by hand, and then you get into it and think, what would be easier is, why don't we get a tool? Why don't we get something called a shingle bully? Okay, so then you go over to your roof, and instead of pulling up by hand, you take your shingle bully and you're just popping them all up, throwing them off the roof. Okay, that would be my idea of creating a unique plus valuable type of content. Okay, so for your title, not just how to remove your roofing shingles without pain. Okay, so this is a pain point. Most people will be like, I don't want to do that because my back's going to hurt, my hands are going to hurt, my fingers are going to be, just dying, they're going to be killing me. What should I do? Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. How to remove your roofing shingles without pain. You can even do in 1 day. Okay, something like that. That would be creating unique content. Okay, removing roofing shingles without pain in 1 day. Plus, it's valuable because it's a how-to video. Okay, so step 5. Gonna publish. You're gonna publish on YouTube, and then you're gonna promote on Facebook, Reddit, Pinterest, maybe Instagram stories. You're gonna do on your website. Another YouTube video, another Facebook post, Reddit again, Pinterest again. Okay, and you see where I'm going. Okay, publish, promote, repeat. You keep doing step 5 over and over again. Okay, as long as you keep doing this, what's going to happen is you're going to see over on YouTube that you don't just have one video on how to remove your roofing shingles without pain in a day. You're going to have that one. You're going to have one on, how to remove roofing shingles with only a hammer. How to remove roofing shingles in the wintertime. How to remove roofing shingles in 100-degree weather. Whatever it is. You're going to come up with all these different ideas, and you're going to create similar videos, but they're going to cover a wide area. Okay, it's a specific topic, but you cover a wider area because you're changing words around. That is how you create a brand, an image, some type of reputation on YouTube. Okay, you're probably not going to be able to really sell that shingle bully. Okay, let's go back and look at these things. You're not going to be able to sell those to people that are probably in construction because they probably know about it already. but you could probably sell it to somebody that is a homeowner, building re-roofing their shed or their garage or their house, maybe their dollhouse, whatever it is. You can probably sell to them because they might have no clue about it just yet. So hopefully this video helped you out. Like I said, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, I have my free Amazon, my Affiliate Marketing Monsters mini course. It is live. You can go check it out. First link in the description box below. If you have any questions on the course, let me know. I'm here to help you any way that I can. Again, hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.